Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to share Wi-Fi password from one iPhone to another iPhone. So let's get started. To share the Wi-Fi password from an iPhone to another iPhone, both devices must be running iOS 11 or later and have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Also, make sure both iPhones are unlocked and active. Bring both iPhones close together so they are within Bluetooth range. Now, to share the Wi-Fi password, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then simply tap on the Wi-Fi option available there. After you tap on the Wi-Fi, tap on the any networks or any Wi-Fi your iPhone is connected with. Then after you tap on it, you will get to see the password option available there. Simply it will ask for your password or Face ID. After that, a prompt will appear asking if you want to share the Wi-Fi password. Then simply tap on the share password. Once the Wi-Fi password is shared successfully, the iPhone should automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network without requiring you to manually enter the password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.